Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to locate your iPhone using Find My iPhone on iPhone 17. If you'd like to locate your iPhone, you need to be logged in on your iPhone with a certain Apple account, right? And typically you are, but just to make sure, I'm gonna show you like if you're watching it before you actually need to locate your iPhone, I'm gonna very quickly show you. You need to go to settings, make sure that you're logged in here. If you're not, then sign in, then go in here and make sure that in Find My, if you go in there, if you go to Find My iPhone, it is on. Also, Find My Network, I'd recommend that on, and Send Last Location, I also recommend that, having that on. Now, if we want to locate our iPhone, we can go to any other device. It can be even a computer. It doesn't have to be a Mac. It can be anything. So I'm gonna go to just a Windows computer. And we're gonna go to a certain website. So let's do that. As you can see right here, I'm on the website. I'm in the browser now. And to find the website, type in iCloud.com and hit on enter. Now this is the website. You need to sign in, but remember, if you have any other Apple device that you're already signed into, then you can go to Find My app on that device and it'll work basically the same, but I'm gonna show you that on the computer. So you'll need to, of course, enter the email or phone number. Oh, that wasn't a... Okay, now it's correct. I'm gonna get back to when I enter the password. Okay, and with the password we can continue, and you can see it sends a verification code. But let's say you don't have that device with you, so you can't really read that verification code. What you can do is go to Find Devices right here below the verification code. And now you're in iCloud Find Devices. Then locate your device. I have like lots of iPhones here, so I'm not really sure which one is gonna be which, but we'll see. Maybe this one. Is this the... No, it's the iPhone 12. It's for sure not that one. Is it? Yeah, this is the iPhone 17. So what you can do is locate it on the map, but you can also play a sound off of it. You can put it in Lost iPhone mode, which will basically display a message on your iPhone that it's been lost, and that in order to and you can display a phone number, so if someone finds it, then they can call you. And there's also erase, if you'd like to erase your phone's contents. But even if you do it here, then they won't be able to use your phone because simply iPhones have something called activation lock. So if the iPhone was reset in a different way than through the settings, it will require you to enter the Apple account. Once the phone is reset, during the setup, basically, you'll need to enter the Apple account. And the person that finds it probably won't see it. But I would erase it only like as the last option. Maybe in some scenario, like for example, you think that someone may know your password, like passcode to the phone, right? Yeah, so I'm just gonna simply play a sound. Okay, for some reason it's not playing any sound. Okay, it is actually. I'm gonna mute that. But as you can see, this is basically how it works. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.